Well, hello everyone, it's Annette Fairy Dust Nails, and today I'm going to show you how to do, I got this idea and I'm going to do it on video with you today. I've never tried it before. This big new thing going on about 3D French. Well, I thought, I'm going to take it a step further and try 3D blocking. So, with no further ado, let's try and see if we can do 3D blocking. So I've got the nail prepared. We're going to do French color first and then shape it, and then we're going to start doing the color blocking. So let's see how it goes. And of course, you always want that wall, I call it a wall, yeah, for the next color to be up against. And I want to show you today a little trick that I do if I'm really battling to get the reverse method done for the day. Because sometimes you just have an off day. I'm just going to press it down. Nice like that. And I just want to show you, I'm just going to put a little bit more so that I actually show you what I do. Just some days. I find the middle of the nail, just there. And I go like, cut with my little blade. And I measure the same length up to about there, and the same angle. And I go cut. And that is how simple it is. Now you've still got enough time to make sure that your wall is perfect. This you're going to buff away, so don't worry about that too much. There we go. So we've got the wall right up there. So now the most important thing that I've noticed with this 3D French is that when you do put up the color comes right up to the edge of the wall, but then it slants down. Okay, that is the secret. Right up onto the wall on the side, but then it slants down. I'm going to try and show you what I mean. I'm going to put this nice color this side. I'm taking it right up to the wall, right up to the edge. Push it right up to there, and then you slant it down, because you still want space for your clear. And now I'm just making a line because I still want to do the color blocking. So once we put the clear on, that's when all the magic starts. Okay, so now I'm going to take my clear put it right up to the edge. And then where are we going to put that wall? There. Let's see. So now we're going to see. There we go straight with that line. I'm going to cut it off. Pull it. This you can still buff away. A nail file can do still wonders at the end of the day. I'm just going to make sure that I put another bit of clear acrylic on there so that it's flush with the actual cover pink that we've put on there. There we go. And then please make sure that your wall is absolutely straight. Okay, so now are we going to try and do something even more difficult? Are we going to try and put this in there? Let's try. So now I'm going to put this right up to the wall. But I'm going to push it down so that it has that slant where we want the clear acrylic to be on. So just take a little bit more. Put it there. Push it right up to the wall, but take the slant down. Here you hardly want anything. It's like it's going to go like on the wall and then it'll slide down to the edge. I'm just going to do a little bit more. Yeah, we've got to put it right up to the wall. And these are tiny little pieces, so you know what? We can make them stand against the wall there to get the effect that we want. There we go. Okay, color, there we go, 3D, onto the wall and go down. Okay. Now we're going to fill this up with acrylic and do the third and last piece of this puzzle. Okay, there we go. There we go with the clear, push it against. And now we've got to decide where we're going to put the last piece of this puzzle. Okay, so let's do one right there. Let's cut the wall and pull away. Okay, so we've got the coral Now, how about a bright pink? Let me just get that. I was thinking of orange, but no. Now I've changed my mind, and I think bright pink would be awesome. So I've got a nice bright pinky color. And I think I'll put that one side. And I'll do this. I'm just patting it to here if it's dry so far. Yes, it's dry enough. So what we're going to do is put this right up to the wall. Just always make sure that you clean your brush properly. Because sometimes when you concentrate and all that, you forget. Especially when you're doing nail designs. Okay. Right up to the edge of that wall. Here at the top. Right up to there. A little bit at a time. There we go. There we go. And then I'm going to make it slant down because we want that 3D effect. I'm not sure if this is going to be perfect, but at least we've tried, right? And now, lastly, we're going to take a acrylic bead and we're going to put it there and put it to the side and take it over the whole nail. So there we go. This is like a lumpy piece, but not to worry. Electric nail file is a wonderful thing. This design, I think it's going to look great. Let's try and see. Well, I'm just going to wait for this to dry, and then I'm just going to thin it out with the electric nail file, and I'll be right back. Well, here we go. I'm back. I've actually just taken the file and just buffed it a little bit. And now I'm going to take gel wipe-off solution. I use it often, even on acrylic, just to wipe off the dust. And then we can buff it nicely and shape it. And then we can put top coat and see what it looks like. Well, I hope it worked. So, let's see. Side walls, of course. And there my brush goes. I think it looks great just for a sample nail. Of course, brush. Just got to buff it, smooth it out, so that we are ready for top coat. In between the steps, it is of course when you do a client, once you've used the blade, just to make sure that you file it with a nail file and just wipe off. But it's not always necessary. But I'm going to take a non-sticky layer top coat and just put it over, and then I will show you the end result. And there we're done. Voila, it's done. So let's see if we can bring the camera a little bit closer so that you can see the 3D effect of it all. I'm sorry that my light and stuff is just not that great. You can see here that this goes higher than that, and even here that the rest goes lower in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I haven't done anything in a while, but I'm going to try my best to do some more. Lovely to see you again today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and cheers for now. Bye.